Here's an interesting chip for you. Star Wars Flash Speeder. 2015 this one. Interesting colours. Don't often see a full green ship. Obviously these are like the Sand Speeders. This is a much wider one, bigger one, carry about 4 people. Flash Speeder, 312 pieces in this kit. If you've done any Technics large kits in 2021 that are green, you'll be used to these scissor doors on the Lamborghini Sian, which is an interesting take up on this one. Nice gun on the back, full swivel, little red power pack on the side, and these 2 little shooters, guns. These are the infamous shootout little plastic pellets, and again, if you're going to use these and let the kids play with them, just be careful, because these come out at good speed. You get 4 of those. I think it's got a good look to it. Yeah, inside, flat underbelly. Obviously it doesn't need any skis or wheels because it floats, doesn't it? 312 pieces. Flash Speeder. Yeah, I like it. And there's some good minifigures as well. Anything, if you do any Star Wars, you get a lot of battle droids. Let's have a look at what you get. 2 battle droids. Yeah, nothing special. There you go, another 2 to add to the 1,000 that you've got already. Yeah. We've got a security guard and a security officer for Naboo. That's your security guard, and that's your security officer. Both got a little gun, little caps. I'll see the lasses in charge as the officer. And the last one is Captain Tarples. Captain Tarples comes with a spear. This is a broken one they got in the kit. Bought it second hand online. But yeah, he's a good one. Captain Tarples. So yeah, nice colour. Nice deep green this one. Wasn't aware of this kit. 750 91 2015, 312 pieces. Star Wars Flash Speeder. Check it out online, give it a go. These are really quite effective, and they stay in any position. They're not really flaky at all. Some good playability. Alright, see ya.